Have you heard about gaming videos or Twitch TV? If you have, you are in for a big surprise. There is a new way for you to earn up to $80 per hour by simply watching gaming videos on Twitch TV. Stay until the end of this video because I will show you tips and tricks so you can earn money more than anyone else. The results of this method are not typical and they may vary depending on your effort. So use this at your own risk. You might earn a couple of hundreds or even thousands of dollars. There are 3 steps to this method that you will need to follow so you can earn a lot of money. First, I will show you the #1 website that pays many people around the world just to watch gaming videos. Second, I will show you a website where you can get people to watch gaming videos for you. And third, I will show you the exact way to automate your earning just by watching Twitch gaming videos. Also, I'll show you how to make sure that you have a consistent daily income coming in. Hey folks, I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Today, I will be showing you tips and tricks on how to make money online, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. If you have any concerns, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now, let's get started. Let's hop on to twitch.tv. This is a platform where people can go and watch live streams of other people playing gaming videos. On this website, you can also do your own live streams and play video games. What we are going to do is we are going to earn money from these videos that are not even ours. I want you to go on this browse section right here, and it will take us to this page. You can see many varieties of videos on this page. But I will show you 3 specific video games that help me make the most money. The first category of video that I want you to watch is League of Legends. This is a very popular game around the world. There are many people who play this game since this game is really fun to play, and there are over 200,000 people watching almost all the time. The next category is GTA 5. It might be an old game, but it still beats many other games in terms of viewer count. And the third game of my choice would be Minecraft. This is the OG game, and I am pretty sure it will have a great audience till the end of times. These are the games of my choosing. You could choose any other game if you like. It's all up to you. Now I want you to click on this League of Legends category, and it will take you to this page right here. This category alone has over 30 million followers, and according to SimilarWeb, there are over 3.5 billion people around the world logging in on Twitch every single month and watching these kinds of videos. And you don't need to play these games at all. All you have to do is watch the video. Click on this video option here just to make sure that you are on live videos, then select this sort by highest to lowest views. We are utilizing the most viewed video on Twitch for us to earn more money online. The next thing that we are going to do is click on the first video that we see around here. Then I want you to hit on this share button right here because we're going to grab the URL of this video. Once we get the URL, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to the website that actually pays us. You can see here the earning potential that you can get depending on the country that you live in. Again, this is available worldwide, so you can do this wherever you are. The name of this website is cpmlink.net. You can read it here. Shorten your links and earn money. You are getting paid because that link has some safe advertising, which allows them to earn money. And they're going to give some of that money that they earn to you. When someone clicks on that link, they are going to see some advertisements, and don't worry, it is very safe, and you are going to get paid because of that. There are daily payments and no fees. You only need to earn $5 before you can cash out via PayPal. I want you to press on this shortened link. Once you get that shortened URL link, then I will show you how to get thousands or even millions of clicks on your shortened link. I want you to go on this website where we can paste our shortened link. The website is called GameSpot.com. This is a place where there are a lot of articles and information about games. I want you to go on the forum section and select Games Discussion. There are millions of people that go onto this website and join the discussion about games, and they will eventually click on your link and watch your video. Just find the discussion that relates to the game that you are talking about. You can scroll down and you can see different discussions on different games on this website. You can also use the search bar to search for the games that you were talking about. That's how you can earn by making others watch Twitch videos. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.